Hi, welcome to Expert Village. I'm Gretchen Soares with Butterfly Boutique. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is lay our fabric out so that we can cut it. I've already folded this and straightened it into nice widths. So we're just going to roll this out nice and long because we have a long 81-inch cut to make. And make sure that there's no undue wrinkles in there. Now, the fabric stores never cut these straight at the bottom, so what we're going to want to do is straighten this cut. Straighten this, making sure the lines line up on the edge of the fabric. And you want to go from the selvage because that's the truest edge of the fabric. We're going to draw a nice line on where we're going to cut it. Now we're going to measure up 81 inches. And we're going to make a mark at 81 here. Again, making sure that we line up the edge of the ruler with the selvage, the truest straight piece of the fabric. And then all we have to do is follow the line. And 2. Now we have our piece that we're going to be working with.